Hi guys, in this video we're going to be making this flyer using Photoshop. This is a very easy tutorial to follow along, and all the elements used in this design will be found in the description or in the comment section of this video. Now let's get started. Now I'm just going to add shadows to the spring onions. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is add texture to the text. We import the texture, convert the text layer to smart object. You move the texture. Okay, first off, you have to change the blending mode of the texture to multiply, reduce the opacity to 30, and then you move the texture layer to be right above the word healthy, and then you just create clipping mask. Do the same for menu and texture. Next we import add the background texture, drag it to the bottom so it will be above the background layer. Blending mode multiply. You can reduce the opacity.